What's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about the UGREEN AC 1300 dual band Wi-Fi adapter. Now, this is a USB one, and they sent me this over to check out, and I think it's going to be the perfect thing if you have bad Wi-Fi signal, whether it's on your desktop or laptop. So let's go ahead and take a look. As we take a closer look here, this is a USB Wi-Fi adapter, so it's just simply USB A right here, easily going to plug into a laptop or a PC. And again, it comes with a protector for the connector, which is definitely nice to see there as well. There is a small little indication LED on here too. It's going to let you know that this is, of course, powered on and working. We have our two antennas here. These are long distance antennas. So for those wondering about distance with this, you're going to get 164 feet, which is very, very far compared to, say, something, like the Wi-Fi adapter that's in your laptop. This is going to blow it pretty much out of the water. And these are fully rotatable, like you can rotate them around. So however you're plugging this in, whether it's a PC or a laptop, you can fully adjust it, which is really good to see there. And then on top of that, as far as compatibility goes, this is going to be compatible with Windows 11, all the way down to Windows 7. So this is going to be a really good upgrade for an older laptop or PC. And as long as it's running at least Windows 7, it's going to be fully compatible with this, which is going to be awesome. And then it also does support both the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bands. So if you did get newer internet, say fiber or something like that, and they provide you with a modem or a router that has 5 gigahertz, this is going to support that. And of course, you have 2.4 gigahertz as well. Now, showing you how easy this is to get set up, I'm just going to connect it here to my laptop. Just plug it into an open USB port. Again, it can be your laptop, it can be a PC. Just plug it in, and then Windows will automatically detect it. And as I said, it's anything from Windows 11 all the way down to Windows 7. Just plug it in. It's automatically going to be detected. And then you just set it as your default network connection, and you're good to go. One other nice thing about this is that it does have an access point mode. So if you plug it into a PC or laptop that's directly connected into the internet, you can use other devices to connect to the access point to access that internet as well, which is a nice little added feature of this. So if you are looking for a USB Wi-Fi adapter, this is one that I would definitely recommend.